Hello everyone. Today I am with another video of our daily minute series. Okay. Today also we are going to cover some important questions from some important topics. Okay. I'll always try my best to cover maximum syllabus of our maximum syllabus, means that could cover the entire examination that is being held for the agriculture in our country. Okay. So stay tuned. We just let's start the lecture. Our first question is, according to agriculture census 2015-16, what is the average land holding size for women in India? Okay, it's 0.9 hectare, it's 0.5 hectare, it's 1.08 hectare, 2 hectare, 1 hectare. Okay, before giving the answer, first let us know something about the agriculture census. See, the last agriculture census data what we have, that was conducted in 2015 and 16. Okay, now see, agriculture census is being held in our country since 1970-71. Okay, in India, agriculture census is done in the interval of at an interval of 5 years, but world agriculture census is done at an interval of 10 years. Okay, then 2015-16 agriculture census is the 10th in our series, because the first agriculture census was done in 1970-71. Okay, now when you talk about this question, see, average land holding size in our country is 1.08 hectare. Okay, but here the question is, in the question it is asked about average land holding size for women. For women it is asked. Okay, then for women it is 0.9 hectare. 0.9 hectare. See, if we talk about the agriculture census of 2015-16 and previous, which was held in 2010-11, the female operation holders has increased from 12.79% to in 2010-11 it was 12.79% to 13.87% in 2015-7. What operation holder, female operation holders has increased. When you talk about the in terms of operated area, the share of women increased from 10.36%, 10.36%, which was in to 11.57% in 2015 and 16 as compared to previous data. Okay, so you got the answer to these questions. Now next, under Rashtriya Krishi Vikas Yojana, how much financial assistance is provided for the reclamation of acidic soil? Okay, 60,000, 15,000, 25,000, 30,000, and last is 40,000. Okay, see, different schemes gives different assistance to the farmers. Okay, in the one video I also told you about the distribution of micronutrients and soil ameliorants, in which it comes under soil health card. 2,500 per hectare assistance was giving. Likewise, again, if you talk about for the adaptation of organic farming, National Horticulture Mission gives assistance of Rs 10,000 per hectare. Okay, that assistance is till maximum 4 hectare. Okay, and that is given for the period of 3 years. Likewise, under Rashtriya Krishi Vikas Yojana, different assistance is given. Suppose for the reclamation of problematic soil, when you talk about the soil like alkaline soil or saline soil, then 60,000 per hectare is giving. While when you talk about the acidic soil, then 15,000 per hectare it is given. Okay, and but this assistance is shared by the state government as well as the central government. When you talk about the central government and for northeast states, the sharing is like ratio is 90%, 90:10, means 90 for the central government and 10 for the state government for northeast states. But while the general states we talk about, it is 60:40, means 60 for the central government and 40 for the state government. Okay, then according to the options, our answer is 15,000 per hectare for the reclamation of acidic soil. Now, next question. What will be the crop rotation intensity for 2 years for 3 crops. Any 3 crops we take it, just in the question example it is X, Y, Z. These are all 3 crops that is in rotation, that is in crop rotation. Okay, after X we take Y, after Y we take Z in 2 years. Okay, in 2 years, first we take X crop, after that the X is harvested, we take Y crop, Y is harvested, we take Z crop. Then the question is crop intensity for 2 years. Crop rotation intensity it is asked for 2 years. Then you must know what is the formula of crop rotation intensity. For crop rotation intensity, formula is, if you talk about the formula of crop rotation intensity, then you can see crop rotation intensity formula is number of crop taken in crop rotation and divided by number of year in crop rotation. Okay, number of crop is 3 into 100. Number of crop is 3. How many years we are taking? 2 years. 2 into 100. 1.5. What will be? 150% crop rotation intensity. So our first option is 150%. Okay. Now you got the answer. Now next. Which of the following crops were introduced in India in 1600 AD? Okay, tobacco, potato, tomato, or all, or none of these. See, first thing I like to say you that different crops were introduced in different AD. Suppose we talk about if you talk about brinjal, pomegranate, that were introduced in 1500 AD. When you talk about when the cultivation of crops started, like wheat and barley, it was 7500 BC. Okay, 7500 BC that was started. When in 1400 BC, use of iron was started. Okay, in 1000 BC, use of iron plug started. 1000 BC, like this. When you talk about the 1600 AD, then several crops were introduced in India, like potato, tomato, chili, groundnut, tobacco, all these things. Then according to the options, tobacco was also introduced in the 1600 AD, potato also, and tomato also. Then our answer will be all. Okay, next question. National Agriculture Market, means ENAM, was approved on. See, why this question is very easy, but why this question today I have asked you? Because students get confused on that in which date it was launched and when it was approved. Okay, see, National Agriculture Market was approved on 1st July. It was approved on 1st July 2015, but it was launched on 14th April. It was launched on 14th April 2016. Then this is the launched. Okay, and 1st July is approved. So you have to remember both the date. 1st July 2015 and 14th April 2016. You all know that ENAM is a platform for the marketing of agriculture produce. Till now, near about 1000 mandis has been added under it. How much? 1000 mandis. Okay. If you talk about the states, then Rajasthan has highest number of mandis, followed by UP and Gujarat. Okay, under it 150 commodities are covered under ENAM platform. Okay, so this was our 5 questions that we have discussed today. We'll meet in the next video with such good types of questions. So you do subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you cannot miss our any video. Thank you. Have a nice day.